Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ByBit to Web3 wallet. Let's begin. So once you've logged into ByBit, you're going to have different options there at the bottom. We have the Home tab, Markets, Trade, Earn, and then the Assets tab. So we have to select the Assets tab in the bottom right corner. Afterwards, you are going to select the tab which says Transfer next to Withdraw. Then here you have the option to choose your different accounts, so you can transfer the amounts from one specific account to the other account. So from the From option, there is Funding account, and then to, it is Unified Trading account. So if you want to switch accounts, then what you can do is you can go in between those two accounts and then select the Switch option. Then once you're done, you're going to go to the heading where it says Coin, and you're going to select your specific coin. So I'm going to use ETH for example, and then you are going to enter your specific amount. And then you're going to select Confirm. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.